This AAOBOSI Meat Grinder delivers very strong peak power, so it can handle dense cuts and small bones far more confidently than most home machines. The large digital touchscreen with multiple preset programs and an automatic reverse function makes everyday grinding almost effortless and helps prevent clogging. I appreciate the thoughtful built-in storage that keeps the various plates, blades, and sausage and kibbe attachments together so they do not get lost in a drawer. With its generous throughput, this grinder is well suited for home cooks who like to process sizable batches of meat for burgers, sausages, and meal prep in one session. The wide range of speed options and dedicated modes for meat and sausage give you precise control over texture, from coarse chili grind to fine emulsified fillings. Stainless steel working parts that can go in the dishwasher make cleanup straightforward, which is a major plus if you grind meat or grate cheese on a regular basis.